Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordination back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Potter and Friend by Dante Bowe. It's a request by 1AL, so we're gonna do it. So C, A minor, G, F. Potter, oh Potter, C, A minor, G, F. Hold on. There's a lot of progressive chords there. You called it the best kind, the best kind. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah to the na 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 na. Right, so that's F, G, and then fourth fret, A minor. Okay, and then G, F. So that's who came and made me new. So that's A minor, G, F. Okay, let's go on. Okay, so that's hallelujah to the Potter who came and made me new. Right? In chords, that's F, G, fourth fret, A minor, G, F. Alright? So this fourth fret is also a chord. You can just play it like this. It's just like A minor as a bar chord, but just on fret number 4, right? And then moving on. So this is just C for the whole na 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 na. So the verse is the second. On your wheel now. It's the same as the first verse. Anticipating the chord progression is gonna change, but so far it's just the same stuff the whole song. But let's just wait to hear if there's like a bridge. Oh, you take broken things, so oh, you take broken things. Oh, na 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 na. That's F to C. This is E major and then A minor. So that's F, C, E major, A minor. If you're not familiar with my chords, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration of the chords. And I say hallelujah. pretty much the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Do let me know in the comment section below any other new songs that you need me to check out. I will get to that on my free time. And see you guys in the next video.